A photocopy machine is initially loaded with 5,000 sheets of paper. The machine starts a large job and copies at a constant rate. After 20 minutes, it has used 30% of the paper. Which of the following equations models the number of sheets of paper, P, remaining in the machine m minutes after the machine started printing? This is a classic word problem on the SAT, and what you want to look for is keywords that will help you understand what this is really asking. One of the things that stands out here is the two words constant rate. That's indicative of a linear function. If you see a constant rate, it's basically slope. Slope is constant. So that means we can glance at the answers and just see if we can eliminate some of these clearly wrong answers. Now, we know that the linear function typically looks like this, y equals mx plus b. So if you have exponents as variables, we know that that's definitely not a linear function. So we can eliminate c and d because those are exponential functions. So now we're down to two choices, and that's really helpful. So now let's actually dig a little deeper and see which of those two is the right answer. Now the question says that after 20 minutes, we've used 30% of the paper. Well, how much paper do we start off to begin? Do we have at the beginning? 5,000 sheets. So let's find out what is 30% of 5,000. Remember, all in math means multiply, so this is 0.3 times 5,000. And of course, this is the calculator section, so we know that we've used 1,500 sheets of paper in 20 minutes. But remember, slope is a unit measure, right? So we don't want 15,000 in 20 minutes. We want to find out how many sheets per 1 minute, So we can find this out by saying, you know what, 1,500 sheets in 20 minutes. How many sheets will we have used in 1 minute? So we can solve for this by cross multiplying. We'll say 20 times x is 20x. 1,500 times 1 is 1,500. Of course, we divide both sides by 20, and x ends up being 75. So we know the slope is 75, rather the rate of change is 75. And since we're using, it's really negative 75. So that makes B the answer to this question.